Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about cities. So first, look at these pictures. What things could you say about Guatemala to attract some tourists after COVID-19? Pause the video and write down some ideas. Great, we're going to share them during class. Now, which of these do you think is a better hook for a tourist slogan? Rarely will you see a place as beautiful as Tikal. Never before will you experience such a rich culture. Only by visiting Atitlan will you start living. Choose one before class. Now, please go to student book page 32, exercise 2. Look at the pairs of sentences and answer the questions A, B, and C. Pause the video while you work on this. Great. Let's go ahead and check. Which sentences, the A's or B's, would be more likely to be spoken? The answer would be letter B. Now, what happens to the word order when the adverbial phrase is placed in the beginning of the sentence? In no other, not until, right? Well, what happens is that we inverse the subject and the auxiliary verb. In this case, we have will, right? Or did I understand for 2A. What effects does this have in the sentence? Well, if you notice, we are just giving some emphasis to the sentences. So let's go ahead and continue. Read the sentences. Which one seems more formal or dramatic? Why? Pause the video while you answer this. Okay, guys, so you notice we have the more dramatic or more formal sentences. Rarely will you see a place as beautiful as Tikal. Never before will you experience such a rich culture. Only by visiting Atitlan will you start living. Now, what is special about these sentences? Where is the subject and where is the negative form of or frequency form? Pause the video while you think about this. Okay, great. Let's go ahead and check. We have rarely, which is in this case the frequency form, right? We have then our subject, you. But if you notice, first I have my auxiliary verb, will you. Let's check number 2. Never, again, is indicating the frequency. And once again, I have my auxiliary verb, will, and then you. Only, which is in this case the negative idea. And again, I have auxiliary verb, will, subject, you. Very good. Now, let's go ahead and practice. Let's go to our student book, page 145, exercise number 2. Here we have one mistake in each of the sentences. Please find them and correct them. Let's do letter A together. Never before I had felt so happy. What is incorrect here? Yeah, here if you notice, we didn't inverse the verb and the subject, the auxiliary verb, right? So we're going to eliminate that and we're going to inverse it. Never before had I felt so happy. Very good. Pause the video to do the rest. Okay, great. We're going to check this during our class. Now please go back to your student book, page 32, exercise 3. Rewrite the sentences. Start with the word or words in parentheses. You have an example. You will rarely see such a superb example of modern architecture. We needed to start with rarely. Rarely will you see such a superb example of modern architecture. Pause the video to work on the rest. Okay, great guys, we're going to check this during class. Now, I want you to please make a slogan for in what. Please choose one of these phrases and write your own sentence. If you want, you can write sentences for different touristic places in Guatemala. Pause the video, please. Okay, great. We're going to share our ideas during class. Okay, I will see you then. Bye-bye.